Koro mga kwa dhi mbele ni riwruok jochiw thieth kata nurses owacho ni kata bed ni gionge e ng'anyo tijegi kata kamano ochung' kaluwore kod ng'anyo ma lakteche madhi mbele pacho kae. Giwacho ni korka korgi twak e kindgi kod piny owacho e winjruok ma gidwaro dhi mbele yo makare. Gimedo jiwo piny owacho mondo mi oket winjruok makare gi lakteche mondo mi gidhi e tich ni mar kuonde thieth makende matiyo gin mag dispensary.
Have a right to go on strike. Therefore, we cannot say that they do not. I mean, we cannot say that they are striking illegally. There are provisions in law, Article 41, which provides a right to go on strike. So their strike is it's legal, and therefore they have a right to. I mean, and therefore what we are saying as a union is that the strike should be sorted out, should be stopped at all costs, because when we are not operating normally, when the nurses cannot work because of the absence of doctors, we cannot say that we are not supporting their strike.
We started engagement last year. This year in February, we had a retreat in Naivasha where we completed our CBA. So what was left for now, our legal department, the legal of the ministry and our legal department, to sit and harmonize whatever we had agreed to be in tandem with the law and the procedure required by the government, as well as the goodwill negotiation spirit. So that is what is happening today. We cannot be on the table negotiating with the government, coming from a retreat, then tomorrow we're on street. Mimi tunapenda mgomo kwa hii nchi sana. Hakuna watu mpenda mgomo kama mimi. But strikes must be sensible.
Governor